welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you are clicking on one of my videos, welcome. My name is Bianca and I hope you will consider subscribing. I make motherhood and lifestyle videos and then a couple random things here and there. I am sure you can tell by the title of this video that I am deep cleaning my fridge today, and this is something that I've put off for a really long time. I don't even remember the last time I deep cleaned my fridge or cleaned it, period. So this is going to be very real life, realistic deep cleaning, and I will show you how bad it is in there. It's terrible. It's pretty disgusting. I should be embarrassed. Well, you know what? This is gonna hold me accountable and I will be proud of myself once the fridge is clean. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so I'm standing in front of my fridge right now and I just wanted to show you real quick what I'm gonna be using to clean. So I have a bunch of these microfiber cloths, and then I have the Method all-purpose cleaner. This is in the scent Honeycrisp Apple. It is my favorite, and since it's fall, I figured that this would be the perfect scent to use right now. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through everything that's in there and toss out anything that is expired and clear everything out so that I can start wiping everything down. I will assess once I get in there if I actually need to take the shelves out and wash them in the sink. So I guess I will take you in there and show you how bad it is right now. So now that I have thrown everything out that is expired, I'm going to start clearing everything out and putting it on the counter, and then I'm going to spray everything down, possibly take out some of the shelves and wash them in the sink if they need to be washed. Leave the fruits and veggies in there for now while I clean this part out, but oh man, how gross that is. There's like some stuff that spilled back there. So yeah, this was a long time coming. And if you look in the shelves here, these are all pretty dusty and gross as well. yogurt and fruit that we eat more often up top with eggs. And then we have a crock pot meal down here with some baking soda. In this drawer we have cheese, lunch meat, just some bottled water on this shelf, doggy treats, and then that bag has different marinated meats. And then we have our spinach and our fruit. And over here we have our condiments and our dressings, butter. And then I put the milk over here. I usually never put milk over here, but I think it's better use of the space and easier to get to. Whipped cream for coffee, some more condiments, hot sauce, and then a couple more random items down here. So that is the fridge, and now it is time to move on to the freezer. So if I open up the freezer, it's honestly not terrible in here. There's just a lot of crumbs, but it isn't that cluttered, and I do try to regularly toss things. This shouldn't be too bad. That's going to be it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell button so you don't miss when I post my next video. If you've made it this far in the video, leave the peace sign emoji. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you next time.